Hi, my name is Michael Tamasi, President and CEO of AccuRounds, located in Avon, Mass. So as President and CEO, I have many responsibilities, from strategy to business development to finance to some outside activities. But what's most important to me is people. Talking to our team, finding out what's happening at home, how was their weekend, what's going on with their kids. We have core values. I'm very big on culture. We have 5 core values: gratitude, excellence, team first, initiative, and trust. And my daily interactions with our team members try to focus around trust, building that trust. Maybe interacting, letting them know what's going on with me, and trying to find out what's going on with them and see if there's anything they may need from me to help them do their jobs better, faster, to ultimately serve our customers. It's exciting for me to see team members that are able to grow and learn. We have our AccuRounds Lifelong Learning University, which really focuses on having every single team member in our organization have a learning objective, and they're able to take that learning objective and hopefully in weeks or months or quarters able to accomplish that and roll that into their next learning objective. It could be anything from reading a cookbook to learning a new machine, and anything in between. And if you're able to establish that learning mindset, whether at home or in the work environment, they're going to grow personally and professionally, and that's going to help them with whatever job they're trying to accomplish. So it's a very exciting time to be in advanced manufacturing. Lots of new things on the plate, from robotics to automation to 3D printing to machine monitoring to big data, which is going to roll into augmented reality, virtual reality, artificial intelligence. We're on the cusp of introducing that to our company. So multiple opportunities and career paths in our industry, and certainly excited for what the future holds for advanced manufacturing.